guys, and welcome back to another video. Now today, I'm gonna be unboxing some origami paper because I unboxed some magic stuff, like magic props and stuff. And I thought, why not buy some? Right now, I'm actually in Japan, Tokyo, Japan. We're transferring flights here, so we just flew from Taiwan to here, Tokyo, and we're flying from here to Vancouver, and from Vancouver to Calgary, and that's where I live. So, yeah, this was pretty cheap, and I hope this is pretty good because, you know, it's from Japan, and, you know, Japanese stuff is most of the time pretty good. This is about this is 500 Japanese dollars, so I don't know how much American. It's $6.50 Canadian. So I multiply that by 1.3, and that's how much US dollars it is. But yeah, oh my gosh, one little packaging done, and we have a box to get through. I think it opens like that. Yup. Oh yeah, it also comes with foil. Nice. Look at this. You guys probably can't see. Look at this, like all of the sheets. This is like sheets with like white inside. I don't know, like here. I'll probably switch the. So yeah, there's like these are just instructions for like how to hold stuff. And here, I want to show you guys foil. There's all of the foil sheets, and these sheets, and the normal sheets, then more sheets. So yeah, I think this is really good. The paper thinness is perfect. Oh my gosh, this is just 10 out of 10. It's cheap. It's very cheap in a good, I mean like price-wise cheap. I don't mean like cheap, like it's bad. Price-wise cheap. And also comes with like everything you need. So yeah, this is a pretty short video. See, I paid for it. You can cover the barcode. So yeah, I'm probably gonna switch. Yeah, now I don't have to hold my camera. Yeah, so I recommend this, like I said. I'm not sure if you can buy this online. I didn't see this online, like on Amazon or anything. But yeah, you could get this in Japan. If you come here, like the next time you're in Japan, I got this at a souvenir shop. I could probably post some pictures at the end of this video. At the end of this video, I'll probably put some pictures. I actually took some pictures of it. I thought it was just really cool. They also sold different stuff. I like the next time you're at Japan, look out for those souvenir shops. I don't know if it's just Tokyo that has them or if the other cities in Japan have them. But yeah, just make sure to check it out. This is really nice. It's like perfect thinness. Probably gonna throw the package away. Fail. Oh, there you go. So yeah, if you just look at the cover, all you need. It shows you like all the paper patterns and stuff, and at the back it shows like all the colors. Like just look at all those colors. It looks so nice. These also look really nice. And the foil sheets, they look so nice. Like this, I would buy this. I know this is only like $6.50 Canadian, but I would buy this. I'd honestly buy this for like $15 Canadian dollars. Like that's just how good this is. I wonder how many sheets it comes with. 45 color tones. It doesn't say how many sheets there are, but it's 6 inches. Yeah, it says like 210 something. I don't know. I can't read Japanese. So yeah, because I'm not actually from Japan. I'm from China, which is yeah. So yeah, this is a pretty short video. It's probably only been like 5 minutes. I don't know. I wasn't keeping track of the time. But yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like subscribe down below, share this video, comment down below what you think. If leave a like if you want more unboxing videos like this, and also tell me what you want my next video to be. Yeah, please subscribe. We're on the road to 100 subs, which is kind of crazy. And yeah, I'll catch you later. Bye. Peace out.